over. The pain is over. Thank goodness I chilled water before doing this challenge. I need a towel. What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to be trying something different. Today we're going to be trying 10 of this bird eye chili and bulldog noodles together. So hopefully I manage to survive by the end of this video and not die trying to make it go viral. Hopefully everything goes well, and I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel to see more challenge videos like this. I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking it. So let's go to the kitchen right now. As you can see, the gas stove right over here. I'm gonna be boiling some water. Just add water, flame on, and thing goes right over there. So we're gonna wait for some few minutes. You see, you can slowly start to shimmer down. Just to preface, it is 8 in the evening right now, and I'm doing this challenge. Hopefully it goes well. It begins to soften a little bit. Ooh, we're going a little bit fancy tonight. We're gonna be using this bowl to eat. Looks like the noodles are ready to go. We're just gonna start dicing up this one. I think this much should do. Nah, that looks a lot better. So I'm gonna start chopping this. Add that to our noodles. We're back at the studio. Here is the noodles, and here is the chili sauce, the flakes, and a lot of red pepper in it. So we're just gonna tear this up and start the challenge. On as well. And there we go. We have the noodles ready to eat. We're just gonna mix this up a little bit. And there we go. It's ready. Now all there is left to do is eat it. Jesus save me. Ooh, the spice already kicking in. It doesn't taste that bad actually. I already need water. This thing is spicy. I'm getting red eyes from this. Oh. I'm getting lightheaded already. It's so spicy. I bit into the chili. I'm gonna chop the onions as well at the same time. over. The pain's over. Thank goodness I chilled water before doing this challenge. I need a towel. That was the worst mistake ever. Well, I hope you guys like that challenge. If you want me to try any more of that, this kind of challenge, please let me know. Like and subscribe to this channel. I see you in the next video. Take care.